that kind of function is called understanding. Understanding is the ability to make things work.
Wow.
So there's this famous parable of Jesus Christ about the sower. And the sower went sowing on the way, and some of the seed fell on the way, some on the stone, some on the among thorns, some on rocks, and then others on the soil. And the Bible and Jesus explains the whole scenario, and then he comes finally says, the ones that fell on the soil and bear fruit are the people that receive the word of God and understand it. They received the word of God and understood it. So, meaning that when you receive the word of God, there's something else that you need. You need understanding, because it is the understanding that is going to make you make use of the word that you have received.